Let's talk about music. There are many kinds of music. Pop, jazz, classical, and rock are all popular. Each one sounds different. A song is a piece of music with words. People sing songs together or listen to them alone. A person who sings is called a singer. Some singers are very famous. Music is often made with instruments. A piano, a guitar, and drums are common instruments. Some people learn to play an instrument when they are young. It takes a lot of practice. A group of musicians who play together is called a band. Bands can be small or very large. You can listen to music on your phone, on the radio, or at a concert. A concert is a show where musicians play live music on a stage. Many people come to watch and listen. Music can be loud or quiet. Music has a rhythm. A rhythm can make you want to move or dance. Many people use headphones to listen to music on a train, on a walk, or at home. Music can make you feel many things. A happy song can make you smile. A quiet song can help you relax. Music is a part of everyday life all over the world.